If you drink Coke every day, what happens to your body? Please save this video to your phone in case you can't find it. Although you may feel excited at first, but if you drink it for a long time, it will cause health problems such as insomnia and tension. Because cola contains a lot of caffeine. In addition, the phosphoric acid in cola reduces the body's absorption of calcium. It's easy to get cramps when you exercise a lot. But that's not all. And the high sugar in cola will cause your weight to soar and even bring various diseases to your body. And the damage to the teeth is also very serious. It eats away at your teeth and leaves little holes. It's very scary. Therefore, in order to maintain health, it is recommended to drink cola in moderation and make healthier lifestyle choices. Please follow our channel to learn more about health and pass this video on to your Coke-loving friends. Thank you very much. If you eat an apple every day for 30 days, what happens to your body? The first day, the sweet and crisp apple will make you feel very crisp. At the same time, it is rich in pectin and water and will also produce a strong sense of fullness, which will reduce part of your appetite. Day 3 of eating apples, because dietary fiber promotes gastrointestinal peristalsis, can be effective to help defecate. Your constipation problem has been greatly improved. Day 7. When you wake up and look in the mirror, your teeth are whiter and your breath is fresher. That's because apples contain a substance called tannic acid. Helps break down stubborn stains that stick to your teeth. Day 15. You may find yourself losing weight. That's because apples aren't just filling. It contains a lot of vitamin E and antioxidants. Your skin is getting better. Apples can not only reduce freckles and wrinkles, but also promote the aging metabolism of the skin, making the complexion look better and better. On the 30th day of eating apples, you will find that you not only look better, sleep quality has been effectively improved, and energy has become more abundant. This is because apples contain a lot of nutrients and trace elements that the human body needs. Subscribe and like for more health tips.